students, welcome to our new video and new topic. Our today's topic is processing of fibers to wool. In this topic we are going to study how the processing of fibers take place. So let us have a look in our textbook.
Let us see the topic from fibers to wool. For obtaining wool, sheep are reared, their hair is cut and processed into wool. Let us learn about this processes. So let us see this how the process take place. Okay, rearing and breeding of sheep. First, rearing and breeding is done of sheep. Okay, to obtain wool. If you travel to the hills in Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttaranchal, Arunachal Pradesh and Sikkim, or the plains of Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan and Gujarat, you can see shepherds taking their herds of sheep for grazing. So when we go this hilly regions, okay, we see the shepherds, okay, taking the herds of sheep for grazing. Sheep are herbivorous and prefer grass and leaves. Apart from grazing, sheep rears also feed them on a mixture of pulses, corn, jawar, oil cakes and minerals. In winter, sheep are kept indoors and fed on leaves, grain and dry fodder. So this is the how they graze the sheep, okay, in winter. As we all know, the sheep are herbivorous, so they prefer grass and leaves, okay. Sheep are rare in many parts of our country for wool. Gives the names of some breeds of sheep rare in our country for producing wool. So here is table given that the breeds of sheep, okay, which produce wool. The quality and texture of the fibers obtained from them is also indicated in the table. Certain breeds of sheep have thick coat of hair on their body which yields good quality wool in large quantities. So thick coat of hair, okay, on the body which give good quality of wool. As mentioned earlier, the sheep are selectively bred with one parent bearing a sheep of good breed. Once the rare sheep have developed a thick growth of hair then shaved off for getting wool. And the hair, once the sheep is bred, okay, the hair which is grown on the sheep, it is used for making wool. So let us see now the processing fibers into wool. How this fibers is processed into the wool. The wool which is used for knitting sweaters or for weaving shawls is the finished product of a long process which involves the following steps. So we are going to see stepwise how the processing takes place. Step 1. The fleece of the sheep along with thin layer of skin is removed from its body. This process is called shearing. So what is shearing? When the skin is removed from the body of the sheep. Machines similarly to those used by barbers are used to shave for hair. Which machine they use? As we all know, we go in saloon, okay, the barber that uses to remove the hair, okay, that machine is used. Usually hair are removed during the hot weather. This enables sheep to survive without their protective coat of hair. As we all know, they have thick hair so that it protects it from winter. So this hair are removed in summer season during the hot, okay, so they don't feel cold. The hair provide woolen fibers. Woolen fibers are then processed to obtain woolen yarn. Shearing does not hurt the sheep just as it does not hurt when you get a haircut or your father shaves his beard. Okay, so you all know when you cut your hair, do you get hurt? No, the same even sheep does not get hurt. The uppermost layer of the skin is dead. Also the hair of sheep grows again just as your hair does. Okay, now the step 2. The sheared skin with hair is thoroughly washed in tanks to remove grease, dust and dirt. Can you see in figure 3.8 shearing a sheep? Okay, then it is put it into the tanks, okay, to remove that dust and dirt. This is called scouring. See figure 3.8 is scouring in tanks. Nowadays scouring is done by machine. So nowadays it is done by machine. Then the step 3. After scouring, sorting is done. The hairy skin is sent to a factory where hair of different textures are separated or sorted. Sorted, okay, so the different texture of hair, that is sorted, which is better one, okay, like that. Then the step 4. The small fluffy fibers called burrs are picked out from the hair. These are the same burrs which sometimes appears on your sweaters, okay. So these burrs are removed, okay, from these fluffy fibers. The fibers are scoured again and dried. This is the wool ready to be drawn into fibers. Then step 5, the fibers can be dyed in various color dye. Okay, you know which are the color dye which are used for the cloths. So that the dye. As a natural fleece of sheep and goat is black, brown or white. Then the step 4, the fibers are straightened, combined and roll into yarn. Can you see in the figure 3.0 you are rolling into the yarn. The longer fibers are made into wool for sweaters and the shorter fibers are spun and woven into woolen cloth. So for the sweaters and the shorter fibers are spun and used for woolen